The weather is still warm here, and I was really craving an agua fresca de fresa cremosita. This agua fresca just really hit the spot. It's super delicious and totally cooled me down. Let me show you how I made it. To begin with, here I have 1 pound of strawberries that I'm rinsing the dirt off. I'm also going to be using 1 pound of frozen strawberries. You could either do frozen, fresh, or mix it. And I'm taking off the stems. Once I took off the stems, I'm adding the strawberries to my blender along with 4 cups of water. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to blend this well. Setting that aside, and in my bowl here, I'm going to add in 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You can substitute that for regular sugar, and make sure you take all that sweetened condensed because it's so good. I'm also adding in 1 cup of whole milk, and I'm going to whisk this together. Now to my jar, I'm going to add in all the milk, and here I'm going to add the strawberry mixture. I am going to strain it. So you can strain yours or you can leave it as is. I like to strain mine because, as you can see, it leaves behind those strawberry seeds. And I don't like that in my agua fresca. And now I'm just going to mix that together. And at this point, you can add some pink food dye, which I did. I added a drop, and it does give it a pretty color. And I'm going to add in some diced strawberries, a lot of ice, mixing that. This agua fresca de fresa cremosita is done. It looks super delicious already, and I cannot wait to have me a glass. The time has come, and now it's time to serve me up a glass of this delicious agua fresca. This agua fresca comes together so quick and with just a few ingredients. Now I'm going to top mine off with some diced strawberries. And now it's time to try it. Super delicious, thirst quenching. You're going to love it. And there you have it. Some agua fresca de fresa cremosita.